it's 11 here. I know that you guys wonder what my new name is going to be, so here you have it. My new name is Pizza Cat. So yeah, but today I am here with my best friend. Oh my god. Hello. Oh my god. So we're just going to do a video, and yeah, we're going to do it later because I was just about to tell you guys my new name, and yeah. Where did you go? Okay, she talks Swedish and I come from Sweden, so yeah. We're going to do a video like that. You guys know. Okay, she's scared of cameras or what. I don't know how to say it, but she's scared of I don't know what to say because I come from Sweden and I'm so done with this. Goodbye, YouTube.